Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Today, we'll learn how to fetch products dynamically using async items in Jotai. We'll be fetching products from an API. As you can see on your screen, we will be making use of fixstoreapi.com/products API to fetch products. And for this, we'll be making use of asynchronous atoms or async atoms. Will automatically update UI when data loads, will handle loading and error states as well. So what are async atoms? Jotai allows atoms to fetch data asynchronously. These atoms returns pending state, that is when fetching the data, result state on success, and error state on failure. So what we'll do now is we'll head over to our code. And here in our products atom, you will notice that we have commented the older products atom that we created using constant data or hard-coded data. And here what we have done is we have created an asynchronous atom and we are using fixstoreapi.com/products. And if this returns the response, then we will be returning it in JSON format. If not, that is when the response is not okay, then we are throwing the error. So we are handling this failure gracefully. Now, we've also accordingly updated the sorted products item. So here we are getting the products and then we are checking if the product is in array or not. If not, then we are returning an empty array. Otherwise, we are sorting it on price. Now let's go to productlist.js. Over here, we have products atom and then we are making use of this cost products use atom value and we are passing this products atom. And here we are showing the loading products message. That is when the product's length is equal to 0. In that case, we are simply returning loading products. And finally, at the end here, we are returning the product collection. You'll notice that the name has been updated to title because that's what the API is returning. And for this reason, we'll also have to make changes to our cart.js. So here, you'll notice that when we are showing the cart items, here also we'll have to update the item title. Instead of name, we now have title over here. Now, if I go ahead and execute this program using npm start, you'll notice that we are now getting all these list of products. And if I click on any of the product names, you will notice that it gets added over here in the shopping cart like this one. And the total item and total price is also working properly. If I go ahead and increase the amount over here, you'll notice the total is also getting impacted as well as the total items. So that's how easy it is to fetch API data with Jotai using async atoms. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.